Just like the wind, she slipped through my fingers. Yeah, just like the earth beneath fell away.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So I started this look off but already having my brows blocked out, and then I got the Pillowy base in the shade 0.5 and went over them. I then got an eyebrow pencil and started to sketch out the design over my brows and my forehead. I decided to do lots of roses as I posted this look around Valentine's Day on my Instagram page. My Instagram page is at Brooke.Ellis_ if you are interested in following me. It is linked in the description box down below. I then went ahead and did my base makeup, so my foundation, concealer, contour, blush, all of that. And I then start to fill in the design of my face with face paint. So for the leaves, I start off using the Snazaroo dark green face paint, and then I use the Snazaroo dark brown face paint to add some details to the leaves. Then it is time to paint the roses. I used lots of different colours of red face paints for this, so all the petals would stand out from each other. So the first colour I used is by Moon Creations, and it is their bright red face paint. The second red I use is by Mayron, and it is their Paradise Face and Body Makeup, and it is in the shade red. When you're painting this, it can sometimes get a bit confusing, so what I started to do was add some shading to the petals that I've already painted, just so in my head I could make out how the rose will end up looking like. The next colour I use is by Snazaroo, and it is their Fuchsia Pink face paint. I also added some of the Mayron Paradise Face and Body Makeup in the shade Coral. I then go back in with some dark brown eyeshadows and start to create some shading on each of the petals. With a tiny detailed brush and a black Mayron face paint, I start to outline all of it. You don't have to do this step. I still think it looks cute without the outlining in it, but I think it just makes it look a little bit more tattoo and vintage when it has the black outline on the outside of it. I don't know if that's just me, but I just really liked it. I then use the red eyeshadow in the Popping Candy palette by Beauty Power and place it all over my lid. I then start to blend out the edges into the crease, and then also bring it down onto my bottom lash line as well. I then go into the Colourpop Frozen 2 Elsa palette and use the shadow called Spindrift and start to place this on the outer corner of my eye. I then blend it out across my whole lash line. I line my waterline with the Colourpop Chrome Gel Liner in the shade Exit, and then I coat my lashes with some mascara. Sorry I had to take a call at this bit, but I got some black eyeshadow and made the eye look really smoky by really darkening up the outer corners. I then apply my lashes, and these are the Eldora False Lashes in M118. For my lips, I use the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bite Me. Call me crazy, or when I was younger, was there a trend that went round where people used to do this to their lips, where they wouldn't go along their cupid's bow and they kind of make them really round? I swear they were called rosebud lips. If I'm making this up, I don't know where I got this from. If you understand what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comments so I'm not going mad. But this is the final look. I put on this dark brown wig, and then I created this headpiece out of some foam roses. Let me know what you think in the comments down below if you like this look, and if you know what I'm on about with the whole rosebud lip trend. If you like this video, make sure to press the like button as it really helps me and my channel out. And if you'd like to see more from me, you can hit the subscribe button, or you can also follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. My name over there is at Brooke.Ellis_. It is linked in the description box down below, along with some discount codes for brands that I've used in this video if you are interested. So Colourpop, Makeup and Murder, there's quite a few codes down there, so if you want to check them out, you can do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
And this blind